T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition and liftoff. Go Falcon, go NG-24.
And liftoff. Science and supplies soaring to the International Space Station aboard the SS Stephen R. Nagel.
The chamber frame.
T-minus 15 seconds. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition. And liftoff of Falcon 9. Go SpaceX, go CAT 502.
T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition. Engines full power and liftoff of Falcon 9. Go SpaceX, go Starlink. To all SpaceXers, new and old, let's see what's out there. Occupy Mars.
Vehicles pitching downrange.
M1D chamber pressures are nominal.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition and liftoff Falcon 9. Go SpaceX, go Transporter 16.
Vehicles pitching downrange.
Stage 1 propulsion is nominal.
Minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition. Engines full power and liftoff. Go SpaceX, go Falcon, go Starlink.
Vehicles pitching downrange.